Apparently, Jub Jub was so big in jail that he had bodyguards, and this is coming to light through an ex-convict that claims he was inside together with Jub Jub. And he's saying that this man was so big that he was literally running the jail, okay? And apparently it is because of his mother, Mama Jakey. That lady is said to be the most corrupt woman that even conned Nelson Mandela. So she's said to have made some ways for her son to live a very luxurious life inside. And this man now is speaking on that, spilling everything that he knows about Jub Jub's living conditions in jail. And people are now even remembering one episode of Yajola 99. Apparently, the cheater had made allegations that Jub Jub was somewhat of a sissy inside. And he responded saying, "No, you can't be talking about me, my man. I was running that thing. I was running that institution." So do take a look at what this man is saying now and share your thoughts in the comment section. Also remember to subscribe, like, share. Until next time, bye and thank you for watching.
That guy was big. That guy was big, Leana was big, like you got deal with. So sign please don't disturb. I keep poisons on Vusa, that's Mama Chick, and as a child, Margie Chelly value the the new to Chup Maratu Funga, a partner spell, like issue. That guy became a pillar of Nande Chel. So, I'm full with Zibo Shadov Tamba Man, Chup this, Chup. Among other, but that guy was big in prison. That guy got Marakula Magic Sasa Kisha and Apana to take a cake and upon the one. Yeah, I never got cake upon the Poo. Chup Bagam Fusa, and you pose I take. And we were 4 Louis Bosch and I 1, 2, 3. Chup reporter with my mic. My mic was out prison. What prison? What the police had achieved? Said I saw when they when I was speaking about Chup is big like jail. Yeah, Chup. Your man is Mama Chup, Mama Chick. You want to be the ones who find this flat near Pamkanda, but find a winning man dead. So those means I don't need Chup jail. Got this portion of a Chup jail. I'm Tambela Mango Chup. But when I got Chup and cleaning as in a poom. Chup minds be good clever because of petty mali. But little some to sometimes when I'm ready, I'm going to because he will sugar when I lose sugar, put my sweetie. We have one. And a man of the social media, Chup Sazo Kurmin da Bazak, Chup in the Habe jail. Be good clever, they be patty mali jail. Because of Fulisi jail, Valiti Akula Manji Ambis, who know about no Fulisi jail because Chup petty mali jail. So bon kalaba kuma nguchup sisazo khuluma zezinda bana manga mhlambe yibo bebehlathwa ke nje manje bafuna ukukhuluma lento le yibo abantu bebabashaya induni not chup bekahlala so ijeli ivali kuba namadoda ayi2 ahlelika ngeyitulo uvalile umdiya wonke ngeke uzumthini ngeke umvusa uma ufika laba sebagadile ibosho hayi abashaba umthetho labo boTsep 26 lo 28 yabona hlabahlanganise ngapha nangabo uJub une club editwa itakashishi lo muntu bekwathi bekane club ejele uJub ukubukodla siboshwa zonke wenza iphathi uJub hello cop zonke iboshwa zadla uthola wonke uthola icoke uthola ihole nevox uthola nani uthola amazimba uthola ipacket babizana into le bathi pack yo Jub oh that guy Jub was big ejele babakhuluma ngcono bakakhuluma naye njengoba sikhuluma ukuthi besina ejele hayi ukuthi ngithi udliwe induni Jub uzonyamalala ngoJub so yabona abantu abafuna ifame ngoJub lo muntu famous kwa yena nje uJub indoda ibe namandla kangakugijimisa abantu ngiyajola 99 ukuthi indoda inesibindi vele ijele limkhulisile yabona mina makhumbulo uJub kwamba wondile angaka ngama wafika bayi-east manje ungaka benjima naye benjima nambe sengimsaba kasefa uma kuphusha yazi ukuthi lazokhule nengami leya muntu alambe sengimsaba njalo uJubjub because makafika bengikwazi ukumgwajisa ke hayi nina ayabo tele elithanda nezandla you wanna fight hey ngabona zokuthola ngaphandle ukuthola ngegani ngaphandle we elethe bangifika bangiphuma makaphuma ufune mina umuntu oqala yeah njengoba ngithi bangakubonisa la ku Instagram yami ubheke nginaye mangiphume ejele wena makaphuma after 3 days 4 days ufone elile sakahamba ngebig bash wafuna umabhoza straight afuna inumber wazo wangithola ke where are you my guy ayisaba sonke noJubes we enjoy ngaya kubo ngaphuza utshwala